So I've got my Easter eggs and I'm literally just gonna like break them in half, and then the cheesecake is gonna be like in either half. I'm actually gonna make room in the fridge first. So I'm starting with digestive biscuits, and first of all I need 300 grams of these. I'm gonna put them in, I'm gonna kind of break them up as I'm putting them in because then they need to go in my ancient food processor. And then whilst we've got the scales out, we may as well do the butter as well. So I need 150 grams of butter. So this butter just needs to be melted. I'm gonna put this in the microwave when I put my digestives into the food processor. Okay, so I've set this ancient contraption up, and I think I'm gonna do like a little bit at a time. I feel like I might just put a few in first, blitz that, and then keep adding them in. Scrap that, the food processor is broke, so I'm gonna have to smash it up with my hands now. Right, my butter is melted and my crumbs are bashed. It took a while to bash it with the rolling pin, but you know, improvisation. So I'm gonna open my Easter egg and break it in half. I love a good Easter egg. I hope it's already like kind of in half. Oh, it is, that's good. Right, so they're both there ready. I'm gonna mix these together now. And then I'm mixing this together, and then that is literally the base that we're gonna spoon into there. Then I'm just grabbing a spoonful of this, and I'm gonna like pop it into the base of the Easter eggs. And then I'm gonna like flatten it out, but really gently so that I don't crack the egg. I'm making these for my whole family, as you can tell, but now that these are all filled and pressed down, I'm gonna start on the cream cheese filling. One's smashed and I'm really sad. So now in my whisk, I'm gonna be mixing together my soft cheese, double cream, and icing sugar, as well as a little bit of vanilla. So that is now all whisked, and it's ready to go onto these. So I'm just gonna grab like a big spoonful and just start smoothing it over here. So here they are, and it's at this point that you can add your toppings on. So I've got some mini eggs and like some chocolate to melt to drizzle over. So I just like sprinkled some chocolate on just like this, and then crushed up mini eggs and put them on, and this is how they look. And I did a cream egg on that one as well. And now I'm just gonna put them in the fridge and leave them to set overnight, but that is them completely done. I'm super happy with how they turned out. I think they just look totally cute. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.